We just got a new package at the door. Gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what is inside of this. Yo, is that my package? Bro, what the f? Damn. I don't know who this guy thinks he is. Grab my package, think he can open it and shit, and bolts out my room. Yo, what is up, everyone? Oh my god, that was so energetic and unneeded, but I hope everyone's having an amazing day. My name is Matt Nixon, and welcome to my channel, Matt Nixon Visuals. Without waiting, let's just hop right into this. We've got an unboxing video today from a company called Dire Threads. They're based out of Toronto, Ontario. I'm here in London, Ontario, so they're a little bit local for me. They've went ahead, sent me a little mystery package. I actually have no clue what I got or what they sent me. So let's just dump everything out here. First item is actually dope. Got a t-shirt. First thing we pulled out. Second thing, we got a nice beanie. That's actually sick. I like that. Looks like another t-shirt for the third item. Like this. That is dope. Yo, I actually fuck with that hard. This reminds me of the Bape like face. Like it's a complete circle and they got their own like design and everything. But I don't know. I just pulling that out. First thing I thought it was Bape. They're definitely not copying Bape or anything. Oh shit. This is dope too. Yo, they sent me a nice package. I got 3 t-shirts already, a hat. Ooh, this is nice. I like the size of this too because I like my fits to be a little bit more baggy. I'm also losing weight right now, so. Ooh, and it looks like we've got two more things in here. Sent us a hat. That's dope because I actually love wearing these hats. I haven't worn dad hats. Dad hats. I remember when that was a huge trend. But I haven't worn dad hats in a while, so that's gonna be dope. And we got one more thing in here. Another tee. Whoa. Quality, like the wow. Holy shit. Wow. That's my actual reaction too. Like this one's an XL, but it kind of looks like it fits more like a large. I guess we'll see. Let's try some shit on. Okay, so here's our first t-shirt. This is the XL that they sent me. I actually like the way that this fits. My body is up. I have the weirdest proportions. Got the dope graphics on the back. This is nice. I really like the way that this fits. It's really light too. It's something I've noticed about their stuff, because I do have other stuff from them, is that their neck pieces sometimes are a little bit more tight fitting, which I personally kind of like. Like you can stretch them. Obviously you can put your head over it, but they fit a little bit nicer. I have some t-shirts where the neck piece like just droops down and it's hard to actually, you know, get it looking clean and nice. And I find that t-shirts stretch over time, obviously, so having this nice tighter fitting collar is definitely a lot, like, very appealing for me. Here's t-shirt number 1. I'm gonna switch into the white one next, so let's do that. So here's tee number 2. This is a large. Got the logo on the front, and then of course the logo on the back as well. Fits real nice. It's definitely a lighter tee, cotton. Definitely gonna go with a lot of outfits. It's fire. It's dire, man. Anyways, let's switch into the next thing. Whew. Okay, so this is the one that I thought looked kind of like a Bape. I actually love this design and how it's like right on the front. Big ass circle, just kind of right there. Nothing on the back. Nice fitting though. Feels nice, looks good, we good. Next item. Okay, yo, usually I am not a fan of all over print, but I gotta say, the way that this fits and feels and how it looks, I personally think it looks fire. This thing is dope. This is like gym wear material, almost like that breathable. I'm so bad with fabrics and shit. Know what it is, but I can't think of the name. You know what I'm talking about, like that breathable gym wear. It's like, I don't know, this is just nice material. It's not like stretchy either, so it's nice fitting and it actually fits good and feels good. Fire. This is fire, man. Fire. It's literally fucking boom! Fire! Boom, boom, boom. All over. All I gotta show now is the 2 hats. Put these bad boys on. There's the dad hat. Recording? Yeah, there we go. I look like a complete idiot with the dad hat on, but it's fire. It feels good. The quality's good, so. I mean, that's all that really matters. Yeah, let's go to the beanie now. Beanie, fire. With it. Bang, fucking pow. Beanie, I fuck with the beanie, or 2, whatever you want to call it. It's really fucking nice fitting. Like, it's hard to find 2 beanies that are like, you know, good fitting. It's hard, man. Like, everybody's got different heads and every single toque different, but I like the way that this fits. Okay, so now that I showed you guys what I got from these guys, I just kind of quickly want to talk about the company. Dire Threads is a Toronto, Ontario based company. I'm on their about page. I'm gonna read exactly word for word what their about page says. It says, Dire Threads brings you into a weird world full of creatures with lanky limbs, extra eyes, too many teeth, and twisted tongues. The world is dire, hanging on by a thread. Based in Toronto, Ontario, established in 2017. Looking at the designs, weird creatures and shit. Their designs are dope, but I actually think they're sick. It's like they're all over print tee that I got. It's dope. They sell patches, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, jacket. They got some drawstring bags. They got some flip-flops. They got some phone cases. They got some fanny packs. Oh, they also got a mystery box. That's dope. I f with companies that do mystery boxes, because if you like the stuff that they're selling on their website, you really don't know what the hell you want to get. Go with the mystery box, because then you go and get a bunch of dope shit. You don't gotta, it takes the elimination of having to pick. Because sometimes the choice is hard and it'll just stress you out, and then, you know, you'll order something and then you're not actually happy with what you get. You're like, oh, I should order this instead. So yeah, mystery box, that's dope. Their price range literally is $50 being their most expensive item, which is the mystery box, and then their cheapest items are their patches, which are $7. But everything literally ranges in between $7 and $50, and I think that's a pretty good price range. Like their t-shirts go for $30. Sorry, their jacket is the most expensive thing. I missed that. But they only have one jacket right now, and it's an $80 jacket. It's currently on sale right now as I'm looking at it for $60. I have their jacket, and being in Canada, it's cold as shit, and their jacket's actually really warm. That's good, because I have a lot of jackets that are from Instagram companies like this. They look warm, they look bulky, they look big, but then you get them and the wind literally just whips right through them because the material is way too cheap. These guys don't use cheap ass material. They're clearly using some sort of good company. Currently, this company, they sell online. They've got their Instagram and their online store. I definitely recommend checking these guys out. Check out their items. If you're an influencer or somebody with good engagement and good following, you could probably even hit them up and work out some sort of influencer deal. Support small brands like this. I think that we've all got to do that. As long as the brand's actually producing good quality content and good quality merchandise, then you gotta help them out somehow, and these brands gotta come up somehow. Definitely rock with these guys. Definitely with what they're doing. Go check them out. Dire Threads. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe and like button. Drop a comment below. Till next video, it's Matt Nixon Official, guys. Peace out. I can probably make that work.